welcome to JPT. I'm Carson G, and this is Just Plain Tech. In today's video, we're going to take a look at a really old and discontinued Linux distribution called Moblin, which is short for Mobile Linux, which is for mobile devices and netbooks. Today we're going to be testing it on a netbook using a flash drive. It's designed for Intel Atom processors, so luckily I do have a computer with an Intel Atom processor, the Acer Aspire one. I'm pretty sure this operating system is actually older than the netbook itself. I have one of the newer 1 GB of RAM models of the Aspire one. I think it was more around 2011, 2012, where the older versions with only 512 megs on board were like 2008, 2009, 2010. So, as far as I'm aware, this operating system is actually older than the netbook. Anyway, so we're going to take a look at this discontinued operating system on our netbook. It's not pretty. Okay, here we are on Moblin on our Acer Aspire 1 netbook. So let's kind of take a look around the system. So it's very different from most other Linux distributions. This is a 10-year-old operating system, remember, so let's see what it can actually do. Okay, we'll just try that. greendoor.jpg. What? This doesn't make any sense. Okay, so it won't open JPEG files, which is awesome. People. Okay, I'm pretty sure nobody actually uses this system anymore. Media. Let's see. Oh, it looks like this is the Moblin netbook intro. Well, okay.
Moblin is a completely new user experience with integrated web browser and media player and loads of really clever features. Moblin makes it easier for you to work and play. This is my zone. It's what you see when you start your netbook. It gives you instant access to your calendar, tasks, and appointments, your favorite applications, recently used files, and the latest updates from your friends. You can also get around your netbook using the Moblin toolbar, which hides at the top of the screen until you need it. With the Moblin toolbar, you can quickly select the tools you need to get on with your life. You can update your social networks with a unique status feature, or get in touch with one of your friends on email or instant messaging. Moblin features a unique internet browser, which has shortcuts to your recently visited and most used sites, and makes searching really simple. The Moblin media player stores all your music, movies, and photos in one place. Our automagic search bar helps you find your favorites. And Moblin also allows you to access files from other sources. Moblin has been specifically designed for any netbook with an Intel Atom processor. Moblin is efficient and optimized for netbook screen sizes. This means longer battery life, faster startup time, and most importantly, more U time. Moblin is the next evolution in operating systems. Make it a natural selection for your netbook.
Well, okay, let's see how much of that is actually true. I was only like 3 years old when this came out. No, actually 2 years old, so obviously I didn't know anything about it until like today, actually. Calculator. Okay. Honestly, this user interface is pretty boring. Let's see, media. Okay. Pasteboard. You can now copy some text. Seriously? applications. Yeah, that should kind of be in front, not my zone. Ooh, Moblin application installer. Let's check that out. Okay, so everything just says resolving. Oh wait, I probably have to connect to the internet. Just a minute. I'm blocking the screen so that you can't see our Wi-Fi. Okay, there we go. So it looks like it's connecting. So let's see how long that takes. Let's see, about Moblin. Yeah, boring. As Moblin is a bit different to other computers, we've put together a couple of bits and pieces to help you find your way around. We hope you enjoy it. The Moblin team. Yeah, this project was abandoned years ago, so... Okay. So it seems connected. When it's gonna open that web browser... Why is it Tizen? It goes to Tizen. Okay, let's see. See if the web browser works. Okay, that's a first. See if I can actually do anything. I'm gonna try a Flash player game. And nope, there we go. We're already done. Let's see if we can install a different browser. Seriously. Firefox looks pretty outdated. Okay, package not found. Oh, so you probably can't actually download anything on here because I bet you the repositories don't even exist anymore. So let's try. Is there a file manager? Every OS should have a file manager. Okay, there we go. It's not totally the end of the world. So we'll go to an RSD card. Okay, that is taking a long time. What? Okay. See if I can play any of my music. We can't play this. Sorry, we can't play an MP3 file. You need to install... Oh, you need to install GStreamer. Doesn't come with a GStreamer codecs. Oh, man. That is annoying. Okay, so we'll view JPEG files. That's the wallpaper for my Cloud Ready install on this netbook. Yeah, this is not very much a futuristic OS. Oh, our recent files there, so it does actually say that. Yeah, this is awful. Yeah, I would not recommend getting this system one bit. It's 10 years old. Repositories don't even exist anymore. You can't download anything. Won't play any files. It is a completely useless operating system. Don't even bother with this. And how am I even supposed to shut down? I'll try pressing the button. Oh. Oh my gosh. It says, would you like to turn off now? If you don't decide, I'll turn off in 25 seconds. It's like, is my netbook talking to me now? Is my computer talking to me now? That is kind of creepy. Anyway, we'll just press turn off. Yeah, awful. That was an awful operating system. Don't even think about getting that. Oh man, that was awful. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. We'll see you next time.